Would you kindly tell me what you're doing in the road?
I'm with the help desk.
She says she's with the help desk.
What's a help desk?
You're lost.
We're lost.
You're headed to Fresno.
Fresno, right.
This is the road to Albuquerque.
She says this is the road to Albuquerque.
Albuquerque?
Albuquerque.
Told you we were lost.
When? When did you tell me we were lost?
In Amarillo.
How'd you know we were lost?
The boxes told me.
The boxes.
RFID radio tags on the cargo. Helps track shipments.
The boxes knew we were lost.
Maybe the boxes should drive.
Very funny.